Hi and welcome to part 17. So in this part I'm sanding off all the paint off the front and rear mudguards. There's sort of rust underneath and the paint's peeling away, and there's also a few dents, and it's just going to look awful on the new bike. So off it comes, and going to prime it and then spray and then get the decals put on. Might do that in the next episode, and put some stone chip underneath because there's none at the moment. It's quite rusty. I hope you enjoy. So here I'm going to be using some rust preventer. This has a chemical reaction with the rust, stops it going any further. But before that I've got to sand it, or scrape it with a wire brush, prepare the surface. And here's the rust preventer. I'll get some of that in a jam jar, paint it on, and then that will have the chemical reaction, stop that rust growing underneath the stone chip. So here I'm getting some filler and sanding it down, get rid of the dents, smooth it all out. Now get some primer on there, and then when I got the primer on there you can really see the imperfections. So here we go, look at that, there's a bit down there, the horrible bit this there. So I can see where I have to work on with a bit of filler and sanding. Some stone chip by Hammerite. smoothing off the primer, getting rid of those lumps and bumps that's in the spray paint. That makes the metallic paint that goes on top of it much better finish. Rinse all the dust off, dry it off, wipe it down with some tack cloths. Gets rid of all the grease and micro particles. Doing it again just to make sure. Glad I did do it again, judging by the state of that cloth. Right, ready to get some colour. The paint code I use I'll put in the description, just like the side panels. The bike's over 40 years old. And then assembling the rear light cluster and then mounting it to the rear mudguard. Here we go. The number plate is brand new, but what I did is I've left it in the garden for about a year and I brushed it with some wire wool and put some yogurt on it and then gave it a rinse, and that gave it a nice patina. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and then hit the bell button and you'll get notifications when I've got a new episode on the bike. Thank you, bye.